Pets are furry friends. Pets are more than just animals. They are our friends, companions, and family. Many people love having pets. They bring joy and happiness into our lives. This essay will explore the benefits of having pets, the different types of pets, and how to take care of them. First, let's talk about the benefits of having pets. One of the main advantages is companionship. Pets provide us with comfort. When we are sad or lonely, they are always there. A wagging tail or a soft purr can lift our spirits. Pets help reduce stress. They make us feel relaxed after a long day. Studies show that pet owners are often happier and healthier than those without pets. Another benefit is exercise. Dogs, in particular, need regular walks. This encourages their owners to stay active. Playing with pets can also keep us fit. Fetching a ball or running in the park is good for both pets and their owners. This shared activity strengthens the bond between them. Pets also teach us responsibility. Caring for an animal requires time and effort. We must feed them, groom them, and take them to the vet. This teaches children important life skills. They learn about commitment and compassion. Having a pet can be a great way for kids to understand the importance of caring for others. Now, let's look at the different types of pets. The most common pet is the dog. Dogs come in many breeds, sizes, and colors. Each breed has its own unique traits. Some dogs are playful and energetic, while others are calm and gentle. Dogs are known for their loyalty. They love their owners unconditionally. Cats are another popular choice. Cats are often more independent than dogs. They can entertain themselves and are low maintenance. However, they also enjoy companionship. Many people find cats to be loving pets. They purr when they are happy and can be very affectionate. Fish are also common pets. They come in various colors and sizes. Fish tanks can be beautiful and calming. Watching fish swim can reduce stress. However, they require special care. Keeping the water clean is essential for their health. Birds can be wonderful pets too. They are often colorful and can sing. Some birds can even talk. They require space and social interaction. Birds can be very intelligent and playful. They can become great companions if cared for properly. Small animals like hamsters and guinea pigs are also popular. They are usually easy to care for and can be fun to watch. These pets require a small cage and a simple diet. They are great for kids who may not be ready for larger pets. Taking care of pets is an important responsibility. First, we need to provide proper food. Each type of pet has its own dietary needs. For example, dogs need meat, while cats enjoy fish. Fish require special fish food, and birds often eat seeds and fruits. Researching what each pet needs is crucial for their health. Regular vet visits are also essential. Pets need vaccinations and checkups to stay healthy. Preventive care can help avoid serious illnesses. It is vital to monitor their health and behavior. Any signs of sickness should be addressed quickly. Grooming is another important aspect of pet care. Dogs need regular baths and brushing. Cats groom themselves, but may need help with long fur. Fish tanks require cleaning to keep the water fresh. Birds need their cages cleaned regularly. Exercise is crucial for many pets. Dogs require daily walks, while cats may enjoy playtime with toys. Birds need time outside their cages to fly and explore. Even small pets like hamsters need exercise wheels to stay active. Creating a safe environment for pets is vital. We must remove harmful items from our homes. Certain plants can be toxic to animals. Keeping chemicals and small objects out of reach can prevent accidents. Pets should also have a comfortable space to sleep and relax. Training is an important part of pet ownership. Dogs need to learn commands and good behavior. Training can help strengthen the bond between a dog and its owner. It also makes it easier to manage their behavior. Cats can also be trained to some extent. Teaching them to use a litter box is essential. Playing with pets is an enjoyable way to spend time together. Whether it's throwing a ball for a dog or using a feather toy for a cat, playtime is important for mental stimulation. Birds enjoy toys they can chew and climb. Even fish can benefit from interactive tanks. In conclusion, pets bring joy and companionship into our lives. They teach us responsibility and provide comfort. Whether it's a dog, cat, fish, or bird, each pet has its unique qualities. Taking care of them requires time, effort, and love. The bond we share with our pets is special. They are not just animals, they are family members. Having a pet enriches our lives in countless ways. If you're considering getting a pet, remember to choose one that fits your lifestyle. Caring for a pet can be a rewarding experience. They will bring love and happiness into your home.